Grand Rising, Grand Rising. Happy Tuesday. This is a SanTan Solar 250 watt used panel. I have 6 of these panels. I have 6 of these 250 watt used warranted. They are also warranted panels for a year. They've been tested. And this one right here, I added the PVC solar tube to it. That stands the panel up with no problem. I added that on myself, DIY. And I'm doing this to all my SanTan solar panels and all my other panels. I'm adding my own DIY PVC solar stands up that I do myself. And as you can see, I'm testing this panel with my solar panel multimeter with MC4 connections on it. You plug to the panel, and this tests how good your panel is working. This panel was taking in 190 watts, 25.9 volts. Current is 7.39, if you can see that real good. The panel has a capacity of 250 watts. Right now, it's taking in 191 watts, which is actually pretty good. And when the sun shines all the way on this panel, it'll probably go up to 240 watts with a capacity of 250 watts. So this is how you test your panels. You buy solar panel multimeter, and it tells you the capacity and how good your panels are. This is how I test my panels. Look at that. And I'm pretty sure it's in the morning, about I think 10 o'clock or so, something like that. By 12 o'clock, this panel will reach about 240 watts with a top capacity of 250 watts. So these panels are excellent panels. I didn't pay much for these panels. This is why I buy used panels. I no longer go waste money again buying new stuff. We don't have to. I'm saving thousands of dollars by buying used panels from SanTan Solar. Thousands of dollars. And I'm getting a whole lot more power at a whole lot cheaper cost by buying used panels. So if you're going to do this, buy your panels. Make sure you get a solar panel multimeter so you can test your panels and see how good your panels are doing. And this is what I'm doing right now. Although the temperature is about 42 degrees right now, it feels warmer now because the sun is out nice and bright, and it feels good out here to me. So, and this is an excellent solar day. See, it doesn't matter if it's cold or hot. Your panels will still get an awesome output if the sun's out. Actually, panels work a little bit better in cooler weather. Like right now. Awesome blue skies. And you can see the output of this 250 watt panel. It's up to 191 watts it's putting out right now. At 25.7 volts and a current of 7.39. Have a beautiful day. Stay ready, because ain't nobody coming to save us. And I have to add my own DIY solar stands to the other panels too, so I can prop them up on this wall. They'll all be in series, linked up to in series, I should say, all 6 panels. And I'm moving my forms to this wall because I get more power this way, because the panels are facing the south on this wall by my house. That's why I have the stands there. Also, the stands get the panels from falling over. So, until then, I'm going to say this again. Stay ready, be ready, and then at the end of the day, nobody's coming to save us. And there's nothing like making all this free power from the sun.